Thanks for clicking play, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be rebuilding my wheel arch boxes, so hopefully this should be a quick one because I've already done this before. So why am I rebuilding the wheel arch boxes? Well, my plans have changed a few times since I started, so they now need to be a lot stronger. I didn't do a great job the first time, and I did spot a few things that have happened since building them, so yeah, that's why we're going to change them.
As you can see here, the box isn't that strong, it's bending as I put some weight on it. I also noticed that mould was forming on the inside, so I need to treat that as well on the new ones. But yeah, let's start chopping some wood and get to it.
All the pieces are cut. We've got box number 1 here, and then if we pan across, we've got box number 2. Now, box number 2 looks a bit weird because all the wood seems to be warped, and there's a space missing at the front here, and that's because that area is going to be my bathroom, so just about round here is going to be where the bathroom is eventually. You'll see how it's going to turn out in a minute. Now that everything's cut and kind of balancing, I need to start putting some screws in, I think. Okay, so the boxes are pretty much done, but before I seal this one, because there's no openings, I'm going to do something that I haven't seen on other videos that makes sense to me. I'm going to fill it with insulation. I see a lot of people covering it in foil and stuff like that, but I don't see anyone putting any actual insulation in there. So yeah, spare insulation's going in. Probably need a little bit more. And that's pretty damn solid if you ask me. But what about this horrible looking area over here? This is going to be my toilet area. So yeah, I'm going to build out a bit of a toilet, and as you can see right now, like, I'm sat as far back as possible. My legs are all the way over there. And I'm also quite cramped in this space. The toilet is actually going to extend over this section. The bed should be coming to this line here. The front of the toilet is probably going to come to about here. And then, so this will be the toilet. So this will open up and you'll have an area there. So this section here, I'm actually just going to build up a little bit of a step and close this off. Now the step is because a lot of the toilets I've seen and tested used, they're just a tiny bit lower than your usual toilet, so I think putting a step under it should be okay. But the box is solid, they're not going anywhere, they're installed. I learned from last time that vans aren't straight. Just every measurement you make tends to be just off. Maybe it's me, I don't know. So I feel doing this method where you measure a couple of things, cut it, install it, measure the next section, just tends to work a lot better. So I will be neatening the boxes up, probably just sanding the edges down and stuff and then giving them a coat. But yeah, that's it. New wheel boxes installed. Nice short video, hopefully. I don't know. We'll see when I edit it. As usual, any tips, questions or suggestions, stick them in the comments below. If I've done something badly, please let me know so I don't do it badly again the next time. See you in the next video.